Just about every explanation of artificial intelligence mentions machine learning. That's because it enables systems to learn from data and adapt to change. We know that machine learning does amazing things, but have you ever wondered how it does its magic? Machine learning is a way to teach computers to find out patterns in data. Algorithms are step by step instructions on how to process that data. Humans use them to program computers to learn. Let's take a little walk through a simple example of how this works. Now, let's say you're showing a computer a bunch of pictures of dogs and cats. You tell it that there's a difference between dogs and cats and describe the key differences. Over time, the computer figures out how to tell them apart without you giving it detailed instructions. There are three key things to remember here. Data is what the computer learns from. Think of it as the pictures of dogs and cats. Features are the inputs like pet size, fur color, or if audio is available, that one barks and the other purrs. The target is the thing we want to predict. Is it a dog or is it a cat? We can learn a lot by taking a little closer look. Say you're planning a vacation and want to know the price range of hotels at your destination. You know there's data online that you can use for your query. Now you need some Python code, and actually, this is most of what you'll need. Amazingly, it doesn't take thousands of lines to do this job. The search starts with preparing the data. It needs to be clean and uniform. There can be no blank cells, and the entries have to be consistent and complete. When cleaning ends, machine learning starts. The computer begins looking for patterns. In our example, the variables we're examining are latitude, longitude, and price. The data is divided into two separate sets, one for training and the other for testing. The computer looks for patterns in the larger training set to make predictions. The model it uses to find patterns is called linear regression. It's like the computer saying, based on what I've learned, here's my best guess. The predictions are then checked for accuracy against the data in the test set. The final output is a scatter plot. Linear regression has calculated a straight line through the data points. The tighter the grouping around the straight line, the more reliable the predictions. This is what is meant by regressing to the mean. Once the ML model has been trained and evaluated for accuracy, it can be integrated into the web application, such as a web form or a query for price information, or make predictions in real time. What's really cool is that we can provide new data after the program is rolled out. Updated input makes predictions more accurate and enables the system to adapt over time. Machine learning systems continue to learn after their initial training. Subscribe if you find the video useful. Comment if you have questions or have something to add. There are links to more resources, including a longer article in our Substack blog. And that's it for today's Byte Sized Tech Tip.